Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I have given a new look to my old furniture. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel or you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing. I'll be sharing home decor DIYs, best out of waste, etc. videos in my channel. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Here this is the furniture to which I am going to give a makeover. Actually, I have painted it very long back. So I just want to give a new look to this cabinet. I am using it as a crockery cabinet as well as a bar cabinet. So at first I have taken all the drawers and I'll just give a wood primer before painting it. This furniture is very old and it is actually a part of a computer table. Actually, the computer table got spoiled, so I have cut the furniture and kept this cabinet for my use. Once I paint the drawers, I'll just allow it to dry completely for 24 hours. And now I'll clean the cabinet. You can see the back side of this plywood, it is coming out, so I'll just remove that sheet. As I told, the furniture is very old. I think this furniture is around 20 to 25 years old. So here also I'll be using this wood primer before painting or doing any work on this furniture. As I told, it is a portion of a computer table. So you can see it is not covered with sun mic from side and from back side. So I'll just remove this all peeling layer. Along with the wood primer, I'll be adding a chemical to avoid the attack of termites. And here I have given a complete coat of this wood primer with the chemical. Before doing any work, I have to allow it to dry completely. On the top, it is already covered with this sun mic, and it is also not in a good condition as we have done so many work on this. So here also I'll be using this wood primer to cover this. As I use the chemical, I used glove to protect my hands. And also it is better whenever you paint, you can wear gloves so that you can clean your hands very easily. Once the wood primer is completely dry, I have given a coat of enamel paint on this cabinet. The drawers and even the cabinet, everything I have painted with white enamel paint. I just skip the video because the video will be lengthy. Now I am using this wallpaper to cover the bottom of these drawers, so that it will be very easy to clean the drawers. The wallpaper which I am using, I have purchased from Amazon, and the link of this product I will be sharing in the description box. You can check there. So I have used this wallpaper wherever it is necessary. These self-adhesive wallpapers are very easy to stick. Cut them according to the size, peel the paper behind it and then just stick it. I am using these wallpapers since many years. Actually, this is a leftover wallpaper from my other DIY. Here I am using one more wallpaper which again I have purchased from Amazon. I really just like this wallpaper because it is having this tile prints. I just love this beautiful tile print and it is waterproof also. So let me cut it according to the measurement. And this one is also the peel and stick wallpaper. So I'll be sticking this tile shaped wallpaper all over this cabinet. Before doing this DIY, I was thinking like what I can do for this furniture, whether I should paint it or whether I should go for the wallpaper. But as I saw this tile printed wallpaper, I thought let me give a try. The adhesive is also very good. For the cabinet, I will not cover it completely with this wallpaper, and I have cut the wallpaper according to the size and I'll stick in this way. First I thought of changing the handle, but it was very difficult for me to remove the handle. So I thought of using the same. And for the last drawer also, I have cut this 4 pattern of tiles and I'll just stick it. While sticking wallpaper, always you have to see there is no any air bubble inside the wallpaper. Otherwise you will start getting the creases and the finishing will not be a good one and it will look very messy. As you can see, this wallpaper comes with the square shaped tile pattern. I'll cut these pieces in square shape. I got confused what to do on the top of this furniture. Then I got this idea. So here I have so many square shapes. So I will stick it in a particular manner. Before cutting and sticking, I have marked the place where I should stick this. Actually, I have done some 3 columns where I am going to stick these patterns. First, I thought I will stick whole this paper on the top of this furniture. Then I thought it will look cluttered because all over it is covered by this wallpaper. And then this pattern came into my mind. Once I finish sticking all this wallpaper, I'll be painting this furniture. Again, while choosing color, I got confused whether I have to choose chalk paint or the acrylic color. Finally, I just chose this acrylic color itself to paint the furniture. I didn't choose any enamel paint this time. Here I chose this Prussian blue to color this. First I thought I'll mix a little bit of white color and then paint it. So as I painted, I felt it is looking very dull. So once again I just went for the basic, the Prussian blue color. Yes, it took a little bit of time to paint whole furniture, but outcome was looking very good. Not only the doors, even the top I have painted with this same color. So after painting also, I was not happy with the outcome. I was feeling like something is missing. Again I thought what I can do for this. Then finally I just ordered this golden tape. This product is also from Amazon. And here I am going to cut this according to the measurement and stick it on the borders of these tiles. If you are still watching this video, if you like this video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So here I am sticking this golden strip to the edges. It is also very easy to stick. You have to remove the tape from back side and just stick it. The adhesive is also very good. Now I'll stick this golden strip from all the sides. The link of the products which I have used will be mentioned in the description box. If you are interested, you can check there. As I finished sticking this golden strip, the look of this furniture has completely changed. And I am really happy about the outcome. And then finally I decided to color the handle with this golden color. And here I am using this acrylic gold metallic color. And even I have used this golden strip even to the cabinet doors. Only because of using this golden strip and golden color, the look of this furniture has completely turned out. And here you can see the outcome. I am really happy with this makeover. Actually, nothing was there in my mind. As I started doing this makeover, all the ideas came one by one. And you can see how the furniture has turned out. So friends, do you like this makeover? Let me know in the comments. And now I'll just decorate this cabinet with some of the decorative items. I just forgot to mention one thing. To protect the acrylic color which I have used in this furniture, I have given 2 coats of varnish. So friends, here comes the final reveal. I hope you enjoyed this video and this video is also helpful for you. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing. I'll be posting many more DIY videos in my channel. So friends, thank you for watching. See you soon in one more DIY video. Till then, you can watch my other videos also. Take care and bye.